Hey there, this is Brett with Blue Monkey Bikes, and today we're going to review the Varla One. Hey guys, today we're back with this impressive looking dual motor electric scooter, the Varla One. It's sleek, stylish, and I'm not gonna lie, this scooter was fun to ride. I was surprised with the responsiveness of the throttle and its ability to accelerate so quickly. Combined with the way that the shocks absorb the road, reminded me of carving on a snowboard. Let's take a look. At first glance, the Eagle One is pretty. Its matte black and red color scheme looks really nice. The deck comes with some interchangeable themes. I decided to go with the urban graffiti vibe because that's more my style. The deck leads to some high visibility red fenders and even incorporates two LED white running lights and two red brake lights for night cruising on its underside. The folding stem also makes this Varla scooter low profile and able to fit easily in cars. The dual suspension system looks tough and was really absorbing of the divots and uneven concrete you'd find in the city. I even took it on some trails and handled the wood easily. Varla has included an easy-to-read LCD display, complete with an odometer, actual speed, trip set options, and battery level. The throttle and display were very responsive. I noticed little delay in its functions. The display control includes a power button and mode button to engage the running lights on the deck. The Eagle One is fast. It can really gallop, with its dual 1,000 watt motors boasting a top speed of about 40 miles per hour. The superb bite on the 150 millimeter hydraulic disc brakes are a great choice for a compact stopping power. I'm too scared to use these in town going 30 miles per hour, but for day-to-day riding, they are great. The Varla scooter is rocking some serious punch in the electric system. Powering it is a huge 52 volt, 18.2 amp hour battery. That combines for a total of 946.4 watt hours. To give you a sense of scale, my neighbor's Toyota Prius has about half that size. This battery can rocket really far. I'm guessing somewhere around 40 miles of range, possibly more. On the other side, it can go incredibly fast, up to 40 miles per hour. That's a bit too rich for my blood, so I can't speak from experience. So how do I know it can do this? Well, the Varla Eagle One really gets down to the nitty-gritty in terms of power, since it houses not only two 1,000 watt motors, but also because it's sporting two 25 amp controllers. There are a lot of dual motor systems out there. Only one controller, effectively doubling the stress on the electronics. With the Eagle One, the system can sustain high loads for longer durations, meaning more uphill climbing, longer trips at higher speeds, and sustained use in hot environments. Total output on paper is 3,200 watts, a mind-boggling amount of power on two wheels. And the Varla thought ahead for time to recharge it as well. From the factory, the Eagle One includes two charge ports for faster charging capability. This not only increases the speed at which the scooter charges, but also safely charge the battery cells and contribute to a longer lifespan for the pack. One important note is that you gotta buy the second charger, as the scooter includes one charger in the box. But charging isn't really where the fun is. Now, for the drawbacks. The Varla Eagle One is a great little cruiser and impressive in its output capabilities. However, given the small dimensions of the wheels, it makes tight cornering difficult. This means the scooter is better for open spaces as opposed to tight trails or courses. The brake system they include gives plenty of stopping power, but given the high center of gravity of the rider, it may prove to be too much in action. I tried to make a quick stop from about 20 miles per hour, and it felt like I was being thrown over the handlebars. The overall weight of the scooter is 77 pounds, which is a lot for a bike. I wouldn't be able to fold it up and lug it around very easily. The overall height of this scooter is 51.2 inches, meaning it favors smaller riders. And riding it for long distances can be uncomfortable, standing slightly hunched over. I went for about 20 miles on this baby, and it wore me out. Varla, however, does offer an accessory seat for longer rides. It doesn't secure to the deck very well, and I wouldn't trust it to stay clamped on the amount of sheer force a rider could put on it. That being said, the Eagle One is a lot of fun. It even includes some cool accessories. In the box, Varla includes a charging block, an extra inner tube, a 16-in-1 multifunction repair tool, axle nut covers, a user manual, and a sweet deck sticker. You can also purchase this handlebar bag that attaches to the stem and an additional front headlight that gives more visibility than the lower running lights. For everything that the Eagle One includes, this is a good scooter. It is compact, fast, and will definitely give you a fun, different ride than your average electric commuter bike. It is reasonably priced as well, retailing on their website at about $1,700 plus tax. That's it for me. I hope you check out the Eagle One for yourself and get out there and cruise. Big thank you to Varla for sending us this electric scooter, and thank you to our viewers for watching. If you like these reviews, don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video and hit that subscribe button. This is Brett for Blue Monkey Bicycles. See you next time.
Yeah.